Today we will see how we can deploy a React project on vercel. So first you have your project on React, and in your root directory you should have a vercel.json file. This is the rewrite tool of vercel. When you need to deploy your project on vercel, you must have this file on your root directory. Okay, so let's go to the vercel now. When you log into yourself, uh, your interface like this, then you need to add new project. Your GitHub repository should be connected. Then you will search your repo there, no chat, import this repository and edit your root directory, because we are going to deploy only a front end. So we will select the client folder, because here we have client folder. Okay, so if you have any environmental variable, you should add there. Okay, but for now we don't have any, so just click on deploy. This will take some minute and your front end React project will be deployed. So our project are successfully deployed. Just click on this and you will see the deploy URL. You can also change the deploy URL. Let me go back. So first we need to search. Let me search. Okay. TK91. Okay, this is the project we deployed. So you can also edit the domain, right? So yeah, this is the option where you can change your domain name if this is available. Let me make it nochat123. Save it. Save it. So your new URL will be nochat123. So this is how we can deploy a React project on vercel. Thank you.